Hi everyone, welcome back to another video of mine. We're onto the Vlogmas and I'm so excited. I cannot believe that it's almost coming to an end, but I do have this super easy Mrs. Claus or Christmas nail art for you. It's super easy to do. First, you want to start with having red nails as your base. Then you want to take red glitter nail polish and apply it onto your nails. You can apply just maybe glitter that is going to be some like red glitter if you don't have this kind of nail polish, or you can use this nail polish. It just depends at what you have, but I have this nail polish that I absolutely adore, so I had to use it. It's perfect for Christmas and Mrs. Claus nails, so I really hope you will see how easy it is to actually achieve this design. Then I'm taking my little striping brush and some white nail polish, and then I'm creating a line near my cuticle and I'm rotating my finger for that perfect line, as you can see. And that way, here you can see it again, just rotating your finger, keeping your brush still and making a few moves if needed and fixing anything. Then I'm applying top coat once everything is done, and this is my favorite part. I know I say it in all my videos recently, but actually applying a top coat, it's my favorite part and it's something that you have to do. Please don't skip this step. This is so important to make your manicure look so pretty and so professional, like you went and got your nails at salon, but you didn't, you did it yourself. I hope you guys love this video as much as I did making it for you. This is super easy design, but look how cute it is, and it's totally screaming Christmas or Mrs. Claus nails. I hope you guys are having a great day. Never let anyone dull your sparkle. Leave me a comment and give this video a thumbs up if you enjoyed it. If you're new, please subscribe, and I'll talk with you tomorrow. Until then, bye.